Did you know there's a way to move to Germany without a job using the Germany's version of the green card? As someone who has personally navigated the process of relocating to Germany, I've spent countless hours researching the ins and outs of moving to Germany without a job. I can assure you that it's not only possible but also a life-changing experience. So in this video, we will discuss what are the requirements to move to Germany without a job offer. Can you get the German citizenship with this method? Are there any language requirements? And if you watch this video till the end, I will show you exactly what you need to do to get this opportunity. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher, and on this channel, we discuss how to succeed financially in Germany. The passing of the new Skilled Immigration Act has certainly created new opportunities for working and living in Germany. One such opportunity is the Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card. This is Germany's new point-based system where you can move to Germany without already having a job offer. You might already know that people coming from the EU or the European Economic Area have no visa requirements and have unrestricted access to the German labor market. For internationals from the United States, Canada, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, Ireland, and the UK, it is possible to enter Germany without a visa, but there are certain requirements for residence and work permit in Germany. For all other nationalities, you will need a valid visa to enter Germany and need to fulfill certain other requirements to get the work permit. Now, there are many types of visas that you can apply for in order to enter Germany. As this video is specifically for people who want to move to Germany without a job, I won't discuss those options, but I'll put a link in the description for my detailed video on that. Before this opportunity card, applicants from non-EU countries had an option to apply for the job seeker visa in Germany. That job search visa required you to provide proof of vocational or academic training. And depending on your studies, you had to either prove good German speaking ability or had to get a special license before you could be able to work. Additionally, you had to be able to provide the cost of your living. That job seeker visa was for just 6 months period. But a lot has changed with the Opportunity Card job seeker visa in Germany. Let me share the basic requirements of the Opportunity Card. To get the Opportunity Card, you just need to show that you have finished 2 years of training or have a university degree. You should also have basic knowledge of German, A1 or English at B2. You have to pay for your own living costs in Germany. If you meet these requirements, you can use a point system, which I will discuss later on in this video to see if you qualify. But basically, you will need to get at least 6 points to be allowed to work in Germany. So what makes the Opportunity Card in Germany very special? Before I share the key advantages of the Opportunity Card, if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and share this video with friends and family. Easy and fast entry into Germany. With the Opportunity Card, you can easily and quickly enter Germany. You do not need to have a permanent job contract beforehand. Instead, you can use the point system to show your qualifications such as your language skills or work experience. This means you don't have to go through a complicated examination process. The Opportunity Card allows you to stay in Germany for 1 year to search for a suitable job. You can work part-time or take casual jobs for up to 20 hours per week. And you can also try out different full-time jobs. With the Opportunity Card, you can take your time to get to know your potential employers and find a job that matches your skills and qualifications. Good income opportunity. You can secure your income with the Opportunity Card in Germany and earn a good wage. The card allows you to work part-time and receive at least the minimum wage, which is currently at 12.4 euros per hour in 2024 and will increase to 12.82 euros in 2025. By working 20 hours per week, you can earn over 1,000 euro per month. If you switch to full-time job, your monthly income will increase even more. Now, the amount you can earn depends on the industry you work in and your qualifications. But with the Opportunity Card, you have a good chance of earning a fair wage, which will easily cover your and your family's daily expenses in Germany. Guaranteed work permit. You no longer need a visa to work in Germany if you have the Opportunity Card. Previously, workers from non-EU countries had to obtain a visa and get approval from the Federal Employment Agency with a job offer. But now with the Opportunity Card, you can come to Germany and search for a job locally. even if you're not recognized as a skilled worker. All you need to do is get at least 6 points out of a maximum of 11 points, as you will find out later on in this video. German citizenship with the Opportunity Card. With the Opportunity Card, you have the chance to become a permanent resident in Germany. The initial residence permit with the Opportunity Card is only valid for 1 year, allowing you to search for a job. During this time, you can try out unlimited trial jobs and work part-time for up to 20 hours per week with flexible scheduling. If you find a suitable full-time job, you can apply to extend your stay by submitting an application to the relevant Foreigners Registration Office. If you decide to switch from a part-time to a full-time employment, you have a good chance of obtaining a longer residence permit. Providing written evidence such as an agreement with your employer or a permanent job contract is essential for extending your stay in Germany. Once you have a permanent job, the next step would be getting a PR and eventually the German citizenship. With the new law, you can get the German nationality in 5 years with regular requirements, and in special cases, you can even get the German citizenship in just 3 years. Point system for the opportunity card. There are 5 categories from which you can get a potential maximum of 11 points in the opportunity card in Germany. However, you just need 6 points to qualify. The first category is profession-related characteristics. You get 1 point if you have just a formal qualification in bottleneck professions. I'll discuss what a bottleneck profession is later on in the video. 2 points if you have at least 2 years of work experience during the 5 years after graduation or acquisition of vocational training. 3 points if you have at least 5 years of work experience during the last 7 years after graduation or getting a vocational qualification. And 4 points if you have a partial equivalence of formal qualification which requires further qualification measures. You also get 4 points if a license is required to practice a regulated profession. The second category is language skills. You get 1 point if you have B2 level English skills or A2 level German language skills. 2 points if you have B1 German skills and 3 points if you have B2 German language skills. The third category is your age. You get 1 point if your age is between 35 to 40 years, 2 points if you are not older than 35 years of age, and you get no points if you are older than 40 years of age. The next 2 categories are a little bit difficult to get points in. You get 1 point if you had at least 6 months of previous legal stay in Germany, and you also get 1 point if your spouse or life partner meets the minimum requirements of the opportunity card. What is a bottleneck profession? Each year, the German government will release a list of professions where a high number of job openings are present. This list of bottleneck professions will change each year depending on the requirements. How can you prove your vocational training? To prove your vocational training, you can use your final certificates or a certificate from your previous employer. This can be a copy of your training contract or confirmation from the company where you received your training. Additionally, the German government will establish a recognition body that will confirm the state recognition of your training in the near future. Which language test can you use? To get the opportunity card, you need to have basic knowledge of German at level A1 or English at level B2. Other skills are considered in the point systems as I have mentioned earlier. However, to prove your German language skills, you would need a certificate from either Goethe Institute, Test Staff, or German Language Diploma (TST). That said, further institutions might be accepted. So just let me know in the comments and I'll check if your institute certification is accepted or not. To prove your English language skills, you can show a certificate from TOEFL, IELTS, Cambridge, AEO, or a certificate from your university stating that the medium of education was in English language. Procedure for applying for the opportunity card. To apply for the opportunity card, you generally have to go to the German mission in your home country, fill out an application form, and bring a valid visa. That said, the process for your country might be a little bit different. You also need to provide evidence of your education, language skill, and previous stays. Additionally, you must also have enough money to support yourself. You can demonstrate financial security with a part-time job contract up to 20 hours per week. The authorities in charge will assess if you meet the criteria based on the point system. It's important to carry appropriate proof such as employment references or certificates. If you have previously lived in Germany for a while, you can show your residence through rental contracts, employment contracts, or utility bills. This leads to the most important question. When can you apply for the opportunity card in Germany? At the moment of posting this video, the application process has not yet started, but will start from June 1st, 2024. You can apply for the opportunity card at the local Foreigners Registration Office or the German mission in your home country. That being said, now is the right time to start preparing for this amazing opportunity. You should prepare all of your documents so that you would be ready to send your application for the opportunity card as soon as the process starts. Now, this opportunity card isn't the only way to move to Germany without a job. In this video, I share many potential options to get a visa for Germany. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.